Hi friends, in this video you will learn how to create group on WhatsApp. So let's begin the video, and if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe the channel for more related videos. So let's start the video. First of all, you will simply open your WhatsApp application. At the top corner there are three dots. You will simply tap on them, and here is the first option of new group. You will simply tap on new group. So these are the contacts which you want to add in the group. So we can select any of the contact. So we will tap on the contacts and then add the contacts in the group which you want to add. So we will select any of the two contacts from here. So and then you will tap on the next option. So here you can write group name, any name you want to write of your group. So here is the profile of the group which you want to add an icon of the group. So we can add this. So we have added the group icon here. So these are the group permissions: edit group settings, send messages, add other members. So these are the settings for members in the group. So you can also approve new members from here as well. So we will go back and click on the tick mark, and the group has been created. So this is the simple process of creating a group on WhatsApp. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel for more related videos. Thank you.